Almost a little waterfall here. This used to be just a tiny little thing that was dry, except after a heavy rain. It's still flowing good. Let's see if you can get a good view up to these trees. There's a whole big pileup of trees here. I don't know what happened exactly, but for some reason all these trees just piled up there. I don't know if they fell over. Well, looks like some of them might have, but there's others where it doesn't look like it could possibly. And there's ones there that are marked in red, which I would assume were up there around the where they were building the new places. There's something in the stream up there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it through the trees. Can't really make it out here. Right there, about center. It may just be a rock. Yeah. You see there's a brick in there. That was evidently underneath the tree, or I think it came down with the tree. It's all in the roots and stuff. It's just unreal. But this is the this is where the pileup of the trees is, on the north end of the pond behind the fire station. See, it normally would have been open down there. Looks like it's clear if I can just get around these couple trees over here and see if I can.